Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope everyone is staying safe and doing well. Thank you for taking the time to spend some time with me today. I don't know about you all, but I am certainly enjoying this beautiful fall weather. And yes, it took some time to get here in Florida, but it's finally cooling down, and I'm loving it. This wonderful and beautiful weather inspired me to come up with this recipe after receiving some peaches at my Walmart pickup. Actually, last year I came up with a roasted acorn squash autumn dip recipe with peaches too. I will link it in the description below. As you can see, my peaches were starting to go and I did not want to waste food, especially free food. Therefore, I made a peachy sauce that made a wonderful and cozy fall chicken meal that screams comfort, love, safety, and coziness. I hope you all enjoy and have a peachy day. Be sure to share and subscribe.
delicious right now. I can't wait for the taste test.